Hi, my name's Jake Levi, and for this project I was working with Joshua Dick. Inspired by the Water and Mario Sunshine post mentioned in class, as well as an appreciation for good-looking water and video games in general, for our project we decided to try and get water rendering in a skybox. Our first steps was just get a blank plane rendering in a skybox, and add some camera controls for easier debugging. This gives us what you see here. Next step was moving on to the water itself. The finished product looks like this. This process was a significant challenge for us, and we used a few different sources to aid us, including that aforementioned Mario Sunshine tutorial, a YouTube series on OpenGL Water, and many websites. One issue we had with this was integrating code from all these different sources, especially because this topic hasn't had much activity in the last few years, so information was frequently outdated, and because we were using multiple different sources, the code was not structured the same way, which made it difficult to make into one cohesive project. We tried multiple different methods of rendering water, and we started out by trying to follow a YouTube tutorial and use multiple FBOs and cameras in order to provide different refraction and reflection textures. However, this ended up being out of scope, and we resolved to blend two moving textures, as you can see here. The way this works is that we added a new method in textures.cpp, load textures plural, which allows us to add two textures to an object, which we then blend together using the mix function in OpenGL in our fragment shader. A nice benefit to this method is that we can simulate other things, so we made some lava textures. It's also interesting to note, if I zoom in a little bit here, you can see that the water and lava move at slightly different speeds. This was just to provide a bit more of a convincing sale on the illusion. Thank you so much for your time, and we hope you have a great day.